Wonder Pets is coming up next. But first, come under the sea with Z and me, Jacques Cousteau. Wowee, Z! Look at all the fantastic fish! Howdy! Z and I are exploring the ocean, searching for the 7 singing sea creatures, a rarely seen music group, also known as Z's favorite underwater band. Listen, I hear something. What's that, Z? You see some of the 7 singing sea creatures? Oh, yes! Some dolphins. Let's count to see how many there are.
1, 2, 3.
Nice counting, everyone. 3 dynamic dolphins. But there are 7 creatures in the band. Let's keep looking for the rest of the band members when we come back. Hello again. Jacques Cousteau here. Z and I are searching for Z's favorite underwater band, the 7 singing sea creatures. We've already found 3 of the 7 band members, but we're looking for the rest. Let's listen. Z hears more band members singing turtles. Let's count them.
1, 2.
2 tuneful turtles. We have 3 dynamic dolphins, and then we add 2 tuneful turtles. 3 plus 2 makes how many singing sea creatures altogether? Let's count them to find out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 melodious music makers. We have found almost all of the 7 singing sea creatures. Let's keep searching when we come back. Hi there, it's me, Jacques Cousteau. Let's continue our quest to find the 7 singing sea creatures, Z's favorite underwater band. Do you hear that? Oh, look, a shrimp playing the shells and a whale playing the washboard. That's 2 more marvelous members of the band. Let's add the shrimp and the whale to our fabulous underwater ensemble. 5 singing sea creatures plus 2 singing sea creatures is how many singing sea creatures altogether?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
The 7 singing sea creatures. We've found them all. And looks like we're just in time for the show.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hit it!
You're right, Z! They do rock! Wonder Pets is coming up next.